Hey everyone, in this video we are showing you how to fix the download interrupted error when you're trying to install or update a Chrome extension. So let's just get it fixed in just a few simple steps. First of all, we can check our internet connection itself. We can look out for this internet option here and click on it. After that, you can look out for internet connected and see if it is working properly, because sometimes the download fails because of the unstable internet connection. So what you can do is you can go to your Chrome, open it up, and once you open it up, you can go over and from here look out for the three dot in the top and click on it. And once you click on it, you can scroll down and select the option of settings and open up your Chrome settings. After you reach over to your Chrome settings, you need to scroll, go to your left hand side and look out for the option of privacy and security and click on it. After you click on it, you can look out for the option of clearing your browsing data. So look out for delete browsing data and click on it. After you click on it, here you should be finding different options. You need to look out for the option of selecting this option right here. Make sure this option is checked, which is cached images and files. After that, you can just go over and click on this option called delete data and confirm it up. Once you do so, you can just go over and restart your Chrome once again and try again and see if that fixes your issue or not. Apart from that, what we can do is we can reset Chrome download settings. So for that, within Chrome, once you are here, you can go over and type in Chrome / and then settings and reset. After that, hit enter and there you go. You can select this option of restore setting to its original default. This will fix the misconfigured settings that can interrupt the downloads. If nothing else works, what you can do is you can try reinstalling the Chrome itself. You can download the latest version of Chrome from google.com/chrome and reinstall it and sign in, and your extensions will sync automatically, and that's it. Now I've fixed the download interrupted error in Chrome extension, so be sure to like this video, comment, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.